Operator overloading. Along with functions, C++ also provides us with the feature of operator overloading. We have studied in the basic level what are operators. Suppose you have created a class for the marks of students. The marks in the first exam have been stored in one object and the marks in the second exam have been stored in another object. Now you would like to add the marks in both the objects and store it in another object. If the feature of operator overloading was not available, then we would have had to take the marks for each subject individually and add them and store them. But using operator overloading, we can write a function for the addition operator and do it easily. So come on, let us see the code for this example. /program to understand operator overloading, #include conio.h, #include iostream.h, class marks, open curly bracket, public colon, integer English, maths, Marathi, semicolon. We have created a class called marks in which we are storing the marks obtained in 3 subjects. Marks operator plus, open bracket, constant marks and a, close bracket, open curly bracket. Here we are going to overload the plus operator, that is, the addition sign. At the time of operator overloading, we need to give the symbol for the operator and write the word operator before it. The input parameters are always passed by reference in operator overloading. So you will observe that we have given the input parameter as marks and a. You will also observe that we have used the keyword constant for the first time here. Whenever we pass an input parameter by reference and we want to ensure that its value is not changed in the function, we make use of the keyword constant. If we have used the keyword constant and we accidentally try to change the value of the variable, a compiler error is given. Marks, semicolon. Since we want to add the marks for individual subjects stored in 2 objects of the class marks and store it in a new object, the first thing we do is create an object of class mark. Marks.english is equal to this arrow English plus a.english semicolon. Marks.maths is equal to this arrow maths plus a.maths semicolon. Marks.marathi is equal to this arrow Marathi plus a.marathi semicolon. Now let us add the marks for each subject. You will notice that we have used this arrow for the first time in this piece of code. This is a keyword. Whenever we say this, C++ provides us at runtime the pointer to the object from where the function is being called. We have already seen previously that the pointer provides us the address of the location where the data is stored. Whenever we are accessing the values of variables using a pointer, we make use of this, that is, an arrow instead of a dot, as we use in the object. Return marks, semicolon, close curly bracket, semicolon, void main, open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, clear screen, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. When the addition of marks of all subjects is done, we return the newly created object. Marks first test, second test, total, semicolon. Here we create 3 objects of the class marks. 1 for the first exam, 1 for the second exam, and 3rd for the total, in which we store the total of marks from first and second exam. Cout, open inverted commas, enter marks for first test, \n, close inverted commas, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, English, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, first test dot English, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, maths, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, first test dot maths, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, Marathi, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, first test dot Marathi, semicolon. Here we ask the user to enter the marks obtained in the first exam and store them in the object's first test. C out, open inverted commas, enter marks for second test, \n, close inverted commas, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, English, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, second test dot English, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, maths, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, second test dot maths, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, Marathi, close inverted commas, semicolon, C in, second test dot Marathi, semicolon. Here we ask the user to enter the marks obtained in the second exam and store them in the object second test. Total is equal to first test plus second test, semicolon. Since the operator plus is overloaded, we can add these two objects in the same manner as we would add two numbers. C out, open inverted commas, total in English is, close inverted commas, total dot English, open single inverted comma, \n, close single inverted comma, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, total in maths is, close inverted commas, total dot maths, open single inverted comma, \n, close single inverted comma, semicolon, C out, open inverted commas, total in Marathi is, close inverted commas, total dot Marathi, open single inverted comma, \n, close single inverted comma, semicolon, get character, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket. The total marks after the addition is done are displayed here. The output of this program is as you see on the screen.